Behind the design, narrow shell width. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a hard-to-fit footwear style. The shoe was very narrow, however the patient didn't have any significant forefoot morphology, including bunions. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the specific footwear. This was achieved with a variety of prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the narrow option from the shell width options in the digital corrections section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include the width of the shell at a position just proximal to the metatarsal heads. The medial border of the orthotic is modified with respect to the first metatarsal. A narrow shell width spans from the lateral border of the foot to the lateral sesamoid. Orthotip. Factors to consider when selecting a narrow shell width include casting or scanning position, the different forefoot widths captured in a non-weight bearing versus a semi-weight bearing versus a weight bearing technique. Footwear dimensions, the width of narrow shoe styles. Foot morphology, the need for no significant forefoot deformities, including HAV or bunions, Tailors bunions, or Metatarsus adductus. And the orthotic surface area. This is reduced with a narrow shell width.